Good morning, guys. It's day 6. Today is Thursday 27th, and yes, I caught a cold because this weather has been a little crazy. Didn't bring a coat. We're ready to go have lunch today. I slept until noon. That's how sick I felt. Going back to Chaperon. Hello guys, our food is here. Got some fish with lentils and some other goodness. And Vanessa got fish also, teriyaki sauce. The salad looks really good. It reminds me of a coleslaw. So I'm about to like dig in. Got a coffee. I got the same thing. And this is the bread. So we're about to just go ham and eat. Rosalie, hey. Monroe, isn't she? Marilyn, isn't she? Beautiful, hey. Just started us, right?
You'll have to find it on her blog. What's your blog? You have your Mrs. card? She's a blogger, yeah. That was great. Doctor,
yeah.
animator, and blogger at night.
Okay. There you have it. It's my shirt. It says "Can't love the culture without the people." And it's from Miss Vanessa. So if you are interested in buying one of those t-shirts,
get on the site.
You should go to her Instagram. It will be in the description box below.
This is a free, which means it's a consignment store.
Sure.
Oh.
You go. Check. Yeah. Guys, buying cold medicine because I caught a cold since I got here. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Okay. Au revoir.
Au revoir. So I just asked the pharmacist to recommend me something. Yeah.
And got water.
Yeah, I asked her
For real, right?
for water. So I just took one. She said 3 a day. So we'll see how it goes. So yeah, we are here going to a vintage shop, and yeah, we have to cross the street. It's like straight ahead. We made it, guys, to the vintage shop. So you want to go in? So let's go in and show you. Looks really nice. So can't wait. So we're here for the Katrine K presentation, and we just okay. I think it's that way. Yeah.
I mean, the West Country is healthy.
Yeah, and it's so beautiful in here. Yeah. Beautiful. Got the dresses, guys.
Those natural materials, a lot of embroidery, handcrafted embroidery here, and voila, it's a whole collection here. So we have like a huge little pieces like this one.
That one. I think this is my favorite. What's this?
I recommend you the one from
So, where do you come from, girls?
New York. New York. That's
What's yours?
A clear shell, and then the embellishments are on strategically.
Nice.
So,
Very nice.
yeah. And I also like texture.
You love texture. I was just saying.
Yes.
Guys, I need to get married in this dress. This is the dress for me. How stunning is this?
So valid is that you can be a great business person and okay creatively, you can make it raw.
Yeah.
But if you're the opposite,
Is it?
And for
not
business and
necessarily is gonna be good.
Guys, we're done at the Katrine K presentation. We're off to see SANDRA MANSOUR. So yeah, there's Vanessa in the back. Here's the Parisian over here. Ooh, somebody's taking photos. I love it.
those pants.
Right? You know me. The neutral is amazing. So So yeah, there's a whole photo shoot happening in a Z-back. Oh, guess where we are, Emmanuel? Oui, Cambon.
Dance, and it's actually very nice because it's on the sun, and it's in those dances are in the Riviera.
Oh,
and usually it's in Africa, so it's really nice, you know, the combination of those two.
Oh, that's awesome.
So that's why you see a lot of.
That's the inspiration. Oh,
but at the same time,
it's beautiful.
I wanted colors.
Very beautiful. Merci
I
beaucoup.
wanted something fresh, and I feel this is like also when I saw the dresses here, it was my first time. I was like,
you know, captured it.
Yeah, when I was doing the collection, you don't see it open like that.
Yeah.
I'm like, it's quite colorful.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if I had to say, for example, this dress, you know, we do our own prints, our own embroidery, everything. Is, like we work a lot on fabric. And this is the collection is called Danses. Danse au son du tambour.
Oh.
Dance to the sound of the drum.
The drums. Okay.
Voilà. So on a le
Beautiful.
tambour, on a le Zaoli dance.
Yeah.
We have the
sun,
voilà, la mer, ça, and the kite. Les
oh, casseur volant. Oh.
That's amazing. And we did the accessories also this year.
Oh, really? That's awesome. Oh my god. Yeah, beautiful.
Sandra,
those dresses, like, yeah.
Look at this print, guys, with her name on it.
I
This
love
is
this.
amazing.
C'est des chapeaux, c'est des femmes. If you look at it, it's actually hot.
Oh.
It's, if you can see it.
Oh my god. That is beautiful. Wow.
So it's a hat, and on the hat, you know, the ribbon is with the name.
The ribbon.
So it's a nice way of putting the name.
I was just gonna say we're talking about not looking like you're advertising for the label.
Yeah.
This is done elegantly.
Yeah,
I wouldn't mind wearing your name.
Yeah, c'est because I understand sometimes you don't want to.
Yeah.
I mean, that's because it's funny.
But the way you've done it is so elegant, but it's like it's not more about the name, it's the print and
Yeah.
the name.
Are you going to like?
I think this is my favorite
It's actually funny.
dress.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is my favorite dress. I feel like I need to wear this in a red carpet.
Married fast.
Seriously, I need to.
Look at this.
Sorry.
It's funny.
That is so beautiful.
How do you deal with yourself? This is me. Stunning.
Des oiseaux, ça c'est des calpes, des cerfs-volants.
Des cerfs-volants.
Et ça c'est des parasols. So this is where the Riviera, you know, comes along. Et il y a le tambour. Because of the name of the collection.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful.
That is stunning.
Wow.
We do bridal wear. The fact that we also work, like I work with clients. Sometimes
So in between you're
in
busy.
between, voilà. So it's not that I just do the collection. We have also a lot of personal. And bridal for us is a really
big thing.
Yeah. We're launching in January for the bridal pret-à-porter collection.
Really? Oh.
But it's going to be more contemporary. Like
Okay.
For clients, they know that we can do this big tralala.
Yeah, very modern.
What was the process of creating this line? Were you at the beach? Or did you do something consistently every day? Or did you visit a place?
I'm working a lot those days, so I try to escape when I create a collection. So the fact that when I try to, I'm lucky. I love to dream. I try to dream as much as possible. I always have a book next to me so that I can write a lot of things. And I like to search the significance. I don't know, I do have to read it.
So you do look into it more.
They're very vivid. And it's funny, yesterday I met somebody that told me how to dream even more.
How? What did they say?
So she's like, it's a kind of a respiration, une respiration, it's like a technique. Like it's for, you know, how to like really
To be in tune. It's funny you say that because I tell people when I dream, that's when I get answers and clarity. And like 2.5 years ago, I had a dream that I had an on-site appointment. I walked into a room and there was racks of clothing, and in the dream I got the job on the spot, and then I had a meeting in New York in what appeared to be like a Vogue setting. 2 weeks later I got a call from a stylist and he said, can you assist me? You asked me, and then after that one booking I've been booked ever since then for 2 years. And I saw it in a dream.
We'll check it out.
11 minutes is 11, it's called 11 minutes because it's going to be a lot of minutes. Like now we're doing the bridal, we're going to create new minutes, and the minutes are 11 dreams. So it's when your subconscious becomes in control of it.
Yeah.
And it's a kind of giving it to the brand a soul, because since we don't have we have a showroom, but we don't have a boutique.
Yeah.
So it's a way of telling our identity.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
And it's
that's so cool that you touched on that, because
and it's nice, you know, we do dresses, but we can communicate throughout a lot of media. So
Yeah.
it's not especially nowadays with all the technology.
yes.
Very true.
One of my favorite pieces also that really talks about the collection is my feu d'artifice dress.
This is your favorite?
It's one of my favorites.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Why is that?
Because it combines the team, you know, and it's like the feu d'artifice of the Riviera. I think of the 14 juillet, for example.
Oh yeah.
With these typical, you know, the Zauli fringes that of the Zaulida that has a lot of
movement.
Movement, exactly.
It's beautiful.
With the open back, the details of the buttons, and I wanted
sorry.
fireworks has been
You're like, we're gasping.
Fireworks has been done, but I wanted like a different firework with caramel, you know, like and white, and then the little sparkle.
That's a very nice touch. You didn't just do it black. I just love the caramel. Very different, very romantic and feminine. Yeah, this is me. Yeah.
That's your wedding second gown.
Right? Exactly.
I really love this.
And the yellow, Manuel, that's you. The yellow, it's you.
That's my goodness. And I love the colors. And this you can wear with, you can redo it in white and black.
I thought you were going to go for this, because it looked like her Jacqueline, but this is...
She was in the French. You know, Yasmina, she came long time ago at the Rivoli show.
Like years ago.
Structure and softness is all about having those two in place. And all the little details you'll notice, like we have date palms as our buttons.
I love that.
Oh, yeah. Wow. And obviously all of the hand weaving and all of that is done by the artisans with that inspiration in mind, the date palms. And you rock. Oh, thank you guys.
You're badass. That's so cool. Yeah.
Loved having you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Very nice meeting you.
Come by tomorrow.
Yes, Sandra Mansour was the absolute best.
Amazing.
Right?
What a talented artist. She had a great personality, and for her to take the time, she took the time to talk to us, let us ask questions, and told us how the collection came about. And I thought it was amazing how she got a little more personal and said she takes the time to dream in order to get clarity and answers. You don't hear much designers talk about how these things are done. It's often fast fashion, a tag thrown on it, and then you hear nothing else. This was amazing, was talking to a real artist first. So yeah, the best.
And she was so nice. That's what, on top of it. So it was one of the best showroom visits. Yeah, that was definitely one of the best showroom visits so far. And thanks to Manuel for hopping in her DM. So now we're headed to Chanel on Rue Cambon. As you can see, the massive sign over there.
Chanel now. Humongous sign.
So, right?
I don't know if you can see it.
This is where Coco used to live. As you can see in the windows, I love the sea detail. It's so cool.
See, mommy.
Guys, we're at the magazine store looking for something in French to bring back. It's always good to bring a magazine back wherever you travel. I think I found the one that I want. Okay, I guess this is a men's section. Oh, that's the King Folk dinette. Oh, that's such a cute one, but I don't want pink. Let me show you guys the cover that I want. I think I either want this or that, but I don't like the red. It reminds me of the New York Times, so I think I may go with this one. It's much more classic. Hello guys, we're having a chill evening, just me and Vanessa. We are at Jardin de Tuileries, right?
The way the sun is hitting.
The sun is hitting it right. That sounded dirty.
Right. I don't want to be the one to say it.
Yeah, and look what we have here. Got La Tour Eiffel over there and the sun right here setting. It's so beautiful. Such a beautiful night. And yeah, oh my god. We're back at the West End to handle some business. We're waiting for our Uber.
I love it. Business women don't tell.
Hey, we headed to Place de la Madeleine, which is my favorite neighborhood. It's in the 8th arrondissement. To go to dinner to one of my favorite places, Le Colibri. It's not like super amazing food, but it's really, really good. So I can't wait to order some French fries. Maybe I'll order my huge, which is a truffle pizza. So you never know. Or maybe I'll order some pasta because the pastas are really good too.
Keep talking about this truffle pizza. I might have to try it. I tried their steak and fries. Best fries I've ever had in my life. A reminder why it's called French fries.
Right?
In America is a potato.
Yeah.
Piece.
It's missing like the F, or it's missing everything. Yeah.
It's missing the everything. Seriously.
It's inch fries, you know.
Replace the F with a D, it's just dry.
Exactly. But how beautiful is the West End? It's like super rich. Look up from the chandelier. I need this in my bathroom. It's beautiful. They have a terrace here where you can go eat. It's nice, but you know, it's below our budget, so we're not gonna eat there. So yeah. Guys, we made it at the Colibri. We're just sitting outside, just like watching people, because the best thing to do is to people watch in Paris, because it's like a one-way. Everybody's coming down like freaking models, well dressed and everything.
Effortless too.
Right?
In a rush.
And Vanessa got the Argentinian steak.
Oh, okay, I don't want to forget it.
Oh no, you're not gonna forget it. Just in case you need it. Got French fries because I have been craving it. And yeah, I've got carbonara pasta, which my friend had last time we were here. It was delicious. So I usually go for the pizza, but today I thought I want pasta. Yeah, we're sitting across the street from the church. This is one of my favorite cafes in Paris. So if you're here, come at the Colibri. And we're drinking hot chocolate.